Who would know best how to stay married? Why, a divorce attorney, of course. We see it all. So, this is part one of how to stay married from the person has seen people that haven't managed to do that. So, what is the first rule of staying married? Number one, communicate, communicate, communicate. But that word doesn't mean just talking at each other. You have to listen to each other. Obviously, if it's a minor comment like, I'm leaving to the post office, be back in 10 minutes, I don't think there has to be a major discussion on that. But if it's, I was interested that you said such and such, and it gave me such and such concern, a more serious topic. You need to let the other person know you're listening and that you really understood what they're saying. So you need to rephrase it, not every sentence every time, but on important things, you need to not react to what they say first, but to really make sure that you understand what they're saying and that they know you understand and are listening. So that's important. Now, what else is important? Well, you need to respect each other. There's a reason you got married. Think about those things. What characteristics of the other person really attracted you? And can you, encourage those kinds of traits or comment on them favorably? It'll be appreciated. It's so easy to get sort of in a rut when you're married and not stop and thank them or compliment them on good things. You need to make time for your marriage. What does that mean? That means you've got to carve out time every day, every week, etc. That is all about spending time with the other person and hopefully doing something that you have agreed to do in common. It could be something as simple that you always watch such and such show. And then you can talk about what's going on in the show and you have the company of the other person. And, if we like murder mysteries, my husband and I, and we know it's not a good show if somebody's not dead in 2 minutes. Come on, you got to get started. So these are some of the things to think about if you want to make your marriage work. And there are so many more ideas that I have from experience, unfortunately, and I'm going to share them with you in our next video. Please contact me, Gabrielle Strich, in New Jersey, if you have a marriage issue, and I would love to find a way to resolve it so that you stay married.